a nuclear weapon. We'll not have. There is no way that they're going to get. They still want it, and they made that clear the other night. Iran will not have a nuclear weapon.
How long were you waiting for them to come back with the negotiations?
Oh, I don't know. I don't care if they come back or not. If they don't come back, I'm fine. Their military is gone. Their missiles are largely depleted. The manufacturing capability for missiles and drones is largely defeated. We've been very nice. We haven't ripped down too many bridges. We did one only because they broke their word, they broke their promise. And remember, their promise was that they were going to open the Hormuz Strait. They didn't do it. They lied.
Do they have other countries right now who are willing to help?
Yeah, they're coming up and they're helping. Yeah, we have many other countries.
Do you have any specific countries that will be buying the oil from the United States? Have you had any talks with specific?
Well, you just have to see. But ships are heading up to our country right now, empty, and they're going to go back filled up with oil. Okay?
Why did you attack Pope Leo on Truth Social?
I don't think he's doing a very good job. He likes crime, I guess. He hit us. Think of it. He's worried about fear. What about the fear when the ministers and the priests and all of those great people that were arrested during COVID, and in many cases they're outside 10 feet apart, and they were arrested. So we don't like it. We don't like a pope that's going to say that it's okay to have a nuclear weapon. We don't want a pope that says crime is okay in our cities. I don't like it. I'm not a big fan of Pope Leo. He's a very liberal person, and he's a man that doesn't believe in stopping crime. He's a man that doesn't think that we should be toying with a country that wants a nuclear weapon so they can blow up the world. Now, I'm not a fan of Pope Leo.
So would you be okay with a third country that's Iran?
About what?
Would you be okay with a third country that brings this country to Iran to the whole?
Well, that's a very theoretical question. Really, I don't want to answer.
You've been very frustrated with NATO countries. Are you planning on?
Well, they're coming up. They're going to be coming up. But I'm very disappointed in NATO. They didn't do that. They weren't there for us. We pay trillions of dollars for NATO, and they weren't there for us. Remember what I said. NATO was not there. Now they want to come up, but there's no real threat anymore. But NATO was not there for us.
Are you going to punish the countries who didn't help you?
We'll see what happens. But, you know, we spend trillions of dollars on NATO to help them guard really against Russia. When you think of it, we're guarding against Russia. And I've long thought it was a little ridiculous, but we spend trillions of dollars doing it, and I think that's going to be under very serious examination. Thank you very much.
अमेरिकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप मीडिया से गुफ्तगू कर रहे थे, जिसमें उन्होंने कहा कि ईरान से जंगबंदी बरकरार है। वाज़ेह है कि ईरान के साथ 21 घंटे तक मुज़ाकरात हुए। अमेरिकी सदर की जानिब से कहा गया कि ये बात वाज़ेह है कि ईरान एटमी हथियार नहीं बना सकता। ईरानी फ़ौज तबाह कर दी, बहरिया समंदर में डुबो दी।